Sam from Authentique Paper, and now we are going to take a look at our new Voyage collection. So this is, we'll start with the sticker sheet. These are really thick cardstock stickers. They have a matte finish, which better matches with our paper. Sometimes stickers are glossy, and we custom mill this adhesive that is just a really matte finish, and the ink just takes to it beautifully. So that's our 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This collection has 12 papers in it overall. Lighthouses, great stripe, honeycomb pattern with a bunch of nautical icons and images, little tiny crabs. They're always fun. We love the shiplap or worn kind of beech wood. These herrings. I think they're herrings. You know, always think of more northern or Alaskan cruises, or, you know, just along the coast where it might not be beachy, but there's those beautiful pine trees and sailboats, and a great wood grain. And of course the anchors, these have little ropes around them. That other anchor. And these are oars for canoeing, I don't know. Something like that. We'll go with
for boating.
Yeah, for boating. They're really fun, and there's a great stripe on the back. And we have this really pretty tone-on-tone damask. There's crabs and seashells and all sorts of little fun. You could stare at this paper for hours and be entertained. Another really pretty whitewashed wood. More of your tanned interlocking ropes. And this one has a little bit more of the sea life, the coral. All these boats, sailboats, tugboats, and a wavy stripe that really messes with your eyes in this lighting. And then we have the nautical stars. Red on one side, navy on the other. In this collection, we have 2 cut-apart papers. Some vintage images, 4x6 size and 3x4 size. This would be great for the cover of an album, a mini album, or as a focal point on your page. That is really pretty. Finally, this last one, some really great sayings. And the little mini oars as well, in navy and white. That.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.